Dream with me. A space that is built for collaboration. A space that is built to inspire art. A space that will support traditional, hands-on craftsmanship while transforming our capabilities with cutting-edge technology. Soon, this studio will be at the center of EMU's 3D Media Arts Complex. The complex will be 3 times as large as our sculpture studio, with a new wing on each side of the building. Like alchemy, this new 3D Media Arts Complex will turn our sculpture studio into a place for so much more, including ceramics, furniture design, jewelry, 3D design, and digital fabrication.
When I first saw the renderings for the 3D Arts Complex, I was very excited. The architects did an incredible job designing the space so that students would deliberately be interacting with each other, designing the building so that there's lots of hallway conversations for crossover from one studio to the next, and even integrating a sort of gallery within a big community space.
If you have the chance to be in a newer building, you know what it's like to have the supplies that you need, the materials that you need, the ability to do so many more things that just are not capable in older buildings. And you have the opportunity to do a lot more when everything is up to date and when you have the space for it too.
It's the right time to give to the 3D Arts program right now because we have a huge commitment for a building, but we need this building to house state-of-the-art studios. And we also need to keep up with other universities.
More space means bigger projects, more collaboration. The staff here is incredible, and we should be throwing resources at them.
Once we have this new facility, we can much more easily design a curriculum that truly has this cross-disciplinary or collaborative approach. Rarely is an object solely made out of a single material these days. And once we're all housed in one building, we can really do that much more easily.
It's incredible. I'm super excited about the potential. And this new building is going to allow us to have some of this technology integrated into each of the different areas or disciplines of the 3D concentration. So for example, we might have a traditional lathe in the wood shop, and nearby there might be a CNC, a computer numerical control mill, that students can bounce back and forth between tradition and technology and truly understand how they can be integrated.
With your help, we will be able to upgrade to full-scale machines capable of milling full-scale furniture. Now we will come together to unify our resources, our creativity, and build and experience that dreams are made of in one comprehensive 3D Media Arts Complex. We are excited to share that we have recently received a gift from the Wingate Foundation, which has provided us with a matching grant of $2.2 million. As part of the match, we have a fundraising goal of $400,000.
It means so much to me to have such a large investment made into the areas of 3D design, sculpture, and art in general, because it's a signal to myself and to students and everyone involved at the university that this is something that we value.
We are making a unique, well-designed place for our students to hone their skills and develop into artists and designers themselves. On behalf of the staff, faculty, and students in the School of Art and Design, I hope you will consider making a gift to allow us to assemble a seat at our table for every EMU student. Help us turn our dreams into reality, convert our visions into art, and watch what we will build as we create our tomorrow.